Yo, what's happening, world? DeAndre Fisher, HME. I'm on the other side of the camera tonight. I just need to show y'all what my boy did for you, boy, for a wedding present. Dopest wedding present I've ever seen. Y'all come follow me. Excuse me. Is it through here? Oh, yeah. Girl, you know you're so fine. God had an image, she's a beautiful design. Boom. Anybody got it? What you doing? Alright, cool. Let's go. First, my boy is a fan of Marvel. You know what I'm saying? So we got the Thor. He said, I'm the Thor of the Avengers. You feel me? It's official. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Look at this custom-made box. You know what I'm saying? Open if you get it accepted. Put your boy name on the front of it. You know what I'm saying?
So we got to get a Sharpie and put a fish right.
And we got custom-made glass. You know what I'm saying? Let your light shine. And then check this out on the back. What they say? DeAndre, the inspiration of the generation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, sound like a dodge, split off the roof. The power of God just split off the roof. Look at my eyes, they look at me. I can see that my scars is telling the truth.
You know what I'm saying? It's official. You feel me? It's official. That's how we do things. You know what I'm saying? Little shot glass. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of drink to go with that. And I'm gonna trade this in for $2 million. You know what I'm saying? One day it's going down. It's going down.
He said that stuff to part of him, but he wants you to have none yourself. That's crazy.
You see, we got the fans up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,